Today, I want to tell you how you can get viral content ideas into your inbox every single day, as often as you want, multiple times a day if you want. Google Alerts is currently one of my best friends. Now, Google Alerts is free. You just got to head on to google.com/alerts. All you have to do is type in your niche or type in a topic or keyword like Facebook ads or ChatGPT, and it'll set a reminder for the frequency that you want, whether that is once a day, multiple times a day, or once a week. And it'll send you the top news articles on Google straight into your inbox. Now, there's a reason why this is so beautiful, and especially at the time of recording, green screen videos are doing extremely well on social media. And I'm getting a steady stream of viral content ideas that I can use for a backdrop of a green screen video every single day. So I don't have to put time, energy, or even thought into my content ideas sometimes. So you can use this to create green screen video backdrops, but you can also use this to try and see what is the current news going on, what are the viral topics, what is trending on Google, and how can I use this news and information to inspire what I'm going to create? What are people engaging with? What are the headlines that people are clicking on? You can have it straight to your inbox every single day. So if you aren't already using Google Alerts to get stuff straight to your inbox, I highly recommend you start that today. That's it for today. Happy marketing.